How you doing, guys? May 18th, 2020. This one here, right, I did a little job for at my daughter's house. She's redoing all the vinyl siding over there, and she had a couple of outside faucets. One of them they were side by side. One of them wasn't being used, and the other one was a newer style one. So she wanted me to go over there and just disconnect the old one, get it out of the way. And the guy's going around the house. He's gonna redo all the siding. So that's what this is. Just gonna be a quick little video. For some reason, the video going towards the job didn't record, or didn't upload, or I don't know what happened. But anyway, I figured I'd just give you a little heads up of what's going on in this video. It's just removing an outside faucet that no longer being used. Been in there before Moby Dick was a minnow. This thing was installed. All right, hope you enjoy it. I guess this is the one that's coming out. It's not hooked up. That one's hooked up, this one's not, so this is all going to be replaced, this vinyl siding. Alright, so we got this shut off here, which is off, which goes out to this one. Right here by over the panel. And it runs all the way over. I don't know why it does that. Well, I don't know where the hell it goes, but we're gonna have to find out. Kind of odd. Runs all the way over here to this thing. It's kind of really odd. But we got to shut off. Next time I shut the main off, I'll clean all this shit up. I don't even know where this goes to, some kind of water hammer thing. Right here, we'd have to cut it and cap it. But for now, we could just, I don't know if you can even see. No, I'm just gonna cut it over here, get it out of the way. We'll cut it right here for now, get it out of the way, and do our thing. Shut off should be fine for now. I mean, I'm gonna be in here doing work at it's my kid's house anyway, so next time I shut the main off, I'll cap it down the other end. Like I said, she's just gonna get all new vinyl, she's gonna get all new siding. What they call a midget cutter. This one's for 1 inch, this one will go up to 1 inch. A midget cutter. It's for midgets. The midget cutter. Shut off holding. If not, we'll have to do something about it. Well, we'll see if it stops stripping. Should be good enough for this neighborhood. We'll have to keep an eye on it. I might have to grab it with a wrench. I think it's gonna be okay. We'll come back down after and check it. of screws. I don't know if I can even get them out of there. They're gonna be something. We have to grind them. No siding's coming off anyway. Give it a little, how you doing? I said it's all coming out. He's gonna have to replace all this vinyl anyway, so it don't matter. It's all gonna be replaced. They said the guy's working in the back. He's coming around. He's gonna replace all this. Hey, Luna. How's it going? How is it going, buddy? Huh? Luna. How you doing? Luna. It's okay. Hey. It's okay. Flipping dog's gonna attack me, you little bugger. It's fine, it's not dripping. When I do more work in here, next time we'll get the water main off, I'll disconnect that. But now, it's good enough for this neighborhood. So there's the little unit. Until it's the old fittings, old brass. Oh, hello there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. How's my favorite girl? How is my buddy doing? Did you miss Daddy? Did you miss me? I think you might have missed me. Did you miss Daddy? You want kisses? Oh, I know, yeah, you love kisses. You love kisses. Oh yeah, you want kisses? You want kisses? Well, I just put some foil tape over it for now and just cover the hole.